Welcome, today we're going to show you how to download and play Deltarune on your iPhone or iOS. So if you actually want to do that, the first thing that you want to do is to open Safari browser on your iPhone, or you can actually open any browser on your Windows PC or MacBook. So after you do that, now you need to search for Deltarune or Undertale IPA as seen from here. So now you need to find any IPA website for Deltarune or Undertale. You can actually download which one you like. So after you open the website, now all you need to do is to download the IPA. So if you actually download it from your PC or laptop, you can actually just connect your iPhone, and after that you can transfer the IPA to your iPhone. Also, if you download it on your iPhone, you don't need to do anything. So the last step that you need to do is to actually have an IPA executor. You need to download which one you like. After that, you can run the Deltarune IPA on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.